We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at studio apartment 8H. Let's go on in. Here in this line of apartments, the H style, the kitchens are on our right. You can see we've got the refrigerator, the cabinets, there are a couple of drawers, the sink. On the 8th and 9th floors, we do have those dishwashers under the sink. So that's a feature on the high floor studio apartments here in Collegetown Plaza. You can see the microwave, and there is the electric stove and oven over there at the end of the kitchen. Right across from us is the bathroom. We'll take a peek in there. That's the same bathroom that you've seen in the other units, in the other videos. We've got that standing tub shower, the vanity and sink that does open underneath for more storage, the toilet, towel bars, and a small mirrored cabinet for more small item storage. As we go into the apartment, we're on a high floor. This is the 8th floor of this 9-floor elevator building. Remember, we started on floor 4 in the building. If you watch the overview videos, you'll see that. One reason that you want to take a look at a number of the videos is to see some different furniture placement options. Here you can see we have the bookshelf and the dresser over on the right, the desk over in the corner. We've got that large window. You can see the air conditioner underneath the window. The underneath window air conditioner units will be on floors 7, 8, and 9 here in this building. There's the full-size bed, table and chair, and we have a nice closet here as well. We'll get the closet open and then we'll take a look out the window at the gorgeous view. So because we're on a high floor, we'll definitely be getting one of the best views from the building. So we have these nice big windows, the mini blinds you can see at the top. We're facing to the west, so we have beautiful valley views. Over to our left, that is South Ithaca College is over that way, and over to our right, you can see the south end of Cayuga Lake. I'll zoom in so you can see that a little better. So there's the south end of Cayuga Lake there. There's a little more lake over there. So it's beautiful views from here in this apartment. So this is absolutely gorgeous to be on a higher floor. The shape of the apartment is the same, but the higher you go, the views will get a little better every floor as you go up. So we're in Collegetown Plaza, apartment 8H. We're on the 8th floor of this 9-floor elevator building. We've entered on floor 4 on the east side of the building. We are on the west side of the building, so facing west. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road, and we are just 1 block from campus.